boy Crypto Trapper with another video today. Hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone's family is blessed. This video is about payment innovation. It's top priority for fintech research. Let's get into this. So, payment innovation is top priority for fintech research. CBDCs and super tech are also leading focus areas for development. As people who don't know, we're going into the fourth industrial revolution. So let's continue. Everything's technical. Everything's technical anyway, or technological anyway. But let's continue. Most most institutions consider payment innovations as a top priority area for fintech research and collaboration. The fintech benchmark of 2023 showed of the 37 central banks that provide data on their priorities for research and collaboration, over 90% selected payment innovations as a matter of great importance. So, out of the 37, 90% have selected payment innovation as a matter of greatest importance, CBDCs, but that's what I'm going to continue. Second was research into central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, that was 87%. And the third was subtech, 73%. 73%. So let's continue. Cybersecurity was fourth, 60%. I thought that might be a bit higher. But it's understandable actually, but I thought that'd probably be second because everything's going technical anyway. So you're gonna see a lot of hacks. You're gonna see a lot of it's happening already now, but you're gonna see it more. When criminality is always been um online to a certain extent, but obviously when they get rid of when they get rid of cash and all these kind of things, you're gonna see it more and more. Do you understand? But let's continue anyway. So 60% for cybersecurity and reg tech fifth with 49%. Fewer central banks report big data, 38% cloud computing. That's very important. That's for to hold data for the metaverse, information, all of these kind of things. We're gonna need more cloud computing. That's a very good industry to look into. But let's continue. 27, I said 27, 24% global stable coins. Okay. I thought that might be in payments, that might be included in payments. But anyway, 24% in big tech and financial intermediation as priority areas for research and collaboration. Just 10% of respondents said IT infrastructure is a priority for research and collaboration. Only 10% for IT. So here's a little graph. Let me click onto it. Should be able to click it. Wait. So as you can see, here's the graph. Got over 90%, 30%. So benchmark. As you can see, you've got payments at the top, then CBDCs, tech, cybersecurity, regular tech, big data, cloud computing, so on and so forth. When it goes to payment innovation, so payment innovation respondents tend to have a similar objective with respect to fintech advancements. The goal of the majority of banks is to contribute to the development of a modern payment ecosystem. Many central banks are prioritizing CBDC research. A lot of the not even Western, the developing countries around the world are including CBDCs. I'm gonna put a video out later on today showing a man allegedly supposed to be a billionaire in India, basically using the first digital rupee, sorry, not rupee. But let me get out of this. Then you got income sizes, that shows payment, believe that may come off of this now. Alright, cool. Let's continue. So don't want to make it too long. Behind the data, the differences emerge between advanced and emerging market economies. Central banks in advanced economies were more likely to prioritize research and collaboration into big data, global stablecoins, and large IT infrastructure than emerging economies. A small number of recipients said they have prioritized for fintech research and partnership for four upper middle income banks gave explanations. One Asia Pacific respondent mentioned in surfer tech, insure tech, finance and credit as a target. Another Indo-American stated customer protection, insurability, and open finance. An African institution identified crypto assets and open finance as its core focus. The four banks also highlighted open finance, including innovation in payment system is a top priority for research and partnerships across advanced economies and emerging markets. All 90, not 90, sorry, 19 central banks from the emerging market economies see the initiative as important. However, 83.3% of advanced economies responded up for such innovations. So let's read this quickly. This is the last pieces. So the bigger picture in further comments, central banks said that they are paying attention to the developments in fintech regulation, the evolution of digital currencies, and the payment infrastructure modernization, but but staff may need training. A high income jurisdiction in Europe explained it had identified four main areas for research, including the impact of technological innovations in the financial systems, super tech innovation tech in financial supervision for seamless operations, implications of CBDCs on financial stability, and the impacts of the technologies in its financial landscape. Completion and suitability of CBDCs is on the forefront of the efforts for some central banks. The majority of central banks are focused on CBDCs. One respondent in the America said it's under pressure from domestic operators to fast track. Another respondent with a CBDC, its pilot stage, said its priority is substantially sustainability. Some respondents explained implementation has been in collaboration with a different partner. So you heard one of the Americans are saying that under pressure to fast track it. So people want it now. Certain institutions, they want it now. So we're coming to the last bit. An upper middle income bank that is prioritizing open finance added it is lacking in the area of fintech regulation. The super tendencies are decentralized bodies of central banks that work together on their issues. The the fintech agenda of a lower middle income African jurisdictions, central banks around regulation of new business models around um, um uh, businesses models associated with payment systems and service officials, however, say staff need to be trained in all related manners. Of course, a lot of them are going to be understaffed because of the new technology, and again, we're going into the fourth industrial revolution. Long story short, I should have made it shorter, but long story short, CBDCs are coming. If you're not preparing yourself and your family, you're gonna be a bum. It's your boy Crypto Trapper, and I'm out.